I have the Samsung Galaxy A14, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to find or how to see your phone's IP address. Now, I'll be showing you two ways of doing this. One is IP address when your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, and also how to see your IP address when your phone is on mobile data. Okay, because IP address is normally linked to a specific network connection or internet connection. So I'm currently on Wi-Fi, and to see your IP address on Wi-Fi, simply go to the Wi-Fi settings. So tap on settings and then go to connections, and then under connections, tap on Wi-Fi, and then make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi network whose IP address you want to see, or the phone's IP address on that network. So tap on the settings and then go to view more, and you should see your IP address there. Okay, so that's the IP address of your phone as it is connected to this specific Wi-Fi. Now, let me go back. Let me turn off Wi-Fi and enable mobile data. It's enabled now. So right now the phone is connected via mobile data. To see your IP address on mobile data, go to settings and then go to scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and tap on about phone, and then go to status information, and you should see your IP address there. Okay, so that's your phone's IP address when you're on mobile data. And those are the two ways of seeing your Galaxy A14's IP address. Thanks for watching and good luck.